Hi, I'm Mo Neihart, and this is my husband, Doug, and it is our pleasure to make this video for you.
Yeah, we're very excited for you to be learning under your teacher, Erican, because many years ago, actually, Erican was a student of ours, and we were his teacher.
He was only about 16 or 17 then, I think.
Yeah, he was quite young, but I remember he was very, very, very smart.
And very willing to talk also, which was important in those days because one of the things I remember about English camp, besides the fact that it was so hot, was that at first our students, we had 40 in class, our students didn't want to talk. Remember that?
Right, they were very quiet, very shy. They ranged in age from, I think, maybe 16 to 40.
Maybe older too.
And at the beginning, they were so silent, so quiet. But we did some things. What were some things that you remembered we did that helped them be more engaging?
Well, I remember that we were really concerned about how much they would talk. We started sometimes with singing songs because we learned that if everybody talked as a group and they liked to sing, that they would warm up. So we learned to begin class with some warm up as a whole group. And I remember one time we pretended to have a talk show and you were the host and I was the guest. And do you remember what kind of guest I was?
Well, you were kind of an ornery guest, I think.
Ornery?
Ornery.
I wasn't ornery. I was a starlet, a movie star.
Oh, right.
And I was very dramatic
and
very full of myself. I remember that.
I remember also we put on a wedding. We talked about a lot of American celebrations and festivities.
So what do you imagine Erican is doing with them? Because, you know, in 2004 and 2005, we didn't have technology and they didn't have internet in Western China or anything. So
Right. Well, he's probably using a lot of technology. And I'm sure he's doing things that are very fun, engaging, and entertaining. Do you think?
Güzel yar yok, dilimden özlü tutkan yar, bulur gayda var yok. Kirip nefsemdim keyniga, dilimden öz giyar tutsam, dışımga kelsi bir günler.
We would like the chicken, please.
Certainly, sir. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's on name Julian Albert Souvenir.
Can you spell me your last name, please?
Of course, Sevenier. That's my passport.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Welcome to Abdurrahman Airport. Where is your flight?
Good morning. I'm willing to fly to San Francisco.
Can I